how to fix low quality voice recordings instantly. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will use CapCut. Simply click on CapCut. Once we click here, you guys will click on new video. Now you guys will import blank image. After that you guys will see audio. Simply click on audio. Here you guys will see extract. So when you click on extract, you guys can extract to a recording from any video. Also, when you click on sounds, here to guide with simply click on their second ones. Now you guys will see device, which is click on device. Now import to a low quality recording that have very bad voice. So let's import it. I imported my recording, so let's play it like how it was before. And now we'll play it after improving it. So let's click on that.
Hello.
You guys can see there is a lot of background noise. Also the voice wasn't clear. So for improving that, we simply click on there. Here on downside, I will simply scroll. The first step will be click on reduce noise. Turn on it. Hello. Now the second step will be click on enhance voice. Turn on it. Select noise clean about 100. Look. Hello. Now we will wait for some seconds. Voice enhancement was applied, so let's play it or voice. You guys listened before. Now listen that time.
Hello.
There's how you guys can improve your low quality recordings voice. Thanks for watching.